Messi's here! That's what they came for! The Magic Man! Argentina are alive!
Vai, Sammy, vai.
Given us half an hour ago we found out about this. This is what she has to say. A brave boy has got to the Rangers to million damage. He was our little superhero.
Little boy with a big smile, a smile that sparkled brighter than the stars he so admired. Stars who, like the rest of us, were humbled and inspired by Bradley's bravery.